It's 3 a.m. You wake up with a crushing pain in your chest. Your phone is on the nightstand, but it feels a mile away. He didn't call his son. He didn't dial 911. He just held this button. This little device can do more than count your steps. It can be a 24/7 bodyguard, a heart monitor, and an emergency lifeline. But I guarantee you, 90% of owners haven't enabled the one setting that could literally save their life. Do you even know where it is? Hello and welcome to Senior Tech Guide. We believe technology should be easy for everyone, especially us. Today, we are talking about smartwatches. Maybe you got one as a gift, or perhaps you just use it to see text messages from the grandkids. But hidden inside this device are powerful health and safety features. Secrets, really, that most people never turn on. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to unlock these 4 life-saving secrets. No complicated jargon, I promise. Grab your watch and your phone, and let's do this together. All right, secret number 1. This is the most important one, especially if you or a loved one lives alone. It's called fall detection. Just like it sounds, the watch has sensors that can tell if you've taken a hard fall. If it detects a fall, it will tap your wrist and an alarm will sound. A message will pop up asking, "Did you take a fall? And are you okay?" If you're fine, you just tap, "I'm okay." But if you don't respond, if you're unconscious or can't move, after 60 seconds, the watch does something amazing. It automatically calls 911. And not only that, it then sends a text message to your emergency contacts like your son, daughter, or neighbor, letting them know what happened and where you are. This is not a gimmick. This has saved dozens of lives. But here's the secret. On many watches, it's off by default unless you're over a certain age. We can't leave that to chance. Let's check yours right now. On your phone, I want you to open the Watch app for Apple or the Galaxy Wearable app for Samsung. Now scroll down until you see Emergency SOS. Tap that. Inside that menu, you will see Fall Detection. Tap that. Make sure that little green toggle is on. If it's gray, tap it so it turns green. That's it. You just activated your personal guardian. Please, pause this video and do that right now if you haven't. Okay, secret number 2 is all about your heart. We all worry about heart health, right? One of the biggest risks as we get older is atrial fibrillation, or AFib. It's an irregular heartbeat that can lead to stroke and often has no symptoms. Your watch has an app that can perform an ECG or electrocardiogram anytime, anywhere. Let's find the app. On your watch, look for an icon that looks like a heart rhythm line. It's usually called ECG. Open it. The watch will tell you to rest your arm on a table and place your other finger on the digital crown. That's the little dial on the side. Don't move. Just breathe normally for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it will give you a reading, normal sinus rhythm or signs of atrial fibrillation. Now, important disclaimer, this watch is not a doctor, but if it flags AFib, you can save that reading as a PDF on your phone and email it directly to your doctor. It's an incredible tool to share real data with your physician. It's peace of mind on your wrist. This next one is different from fall detection. Fall detection is automatic. This one is manual. It's your panic button. Let's say you're in a parking garage and you feel unsafe, or you suddenly feel extremely dizzy, but you haven't fallen. You don't have time to unlock your phone, find contacts, and dial 911. Instead, just press and hold the flat side button on your watch. Don't just press it. Press and hold it. Keep holding it. After a 5-second countdown, it will automatically call 911 and connect you to local emergency services no matter where you are. Once that call ends, it also texts your emergency contacts. This is the fastest way to get help in a conscious emergency. try it, but let go before the countdown ends. This last secret is one I use every day. It's not as dramatic, but it's just as important for our health. How many times have you asked, wait, did I take my blood pressure pill this morning or was that yesterday? We're going to use the Health app on our phone to set this up. Open the Health app and find the section called Medications. It might be under Browse. Tap Add a Medication. You can type in the name of your pill, the dosage, and most importantly, the time you need to take it. Let's say 8 a.m. every day. Now, here's the magic. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, you won't get a quiet little notification on your phone. You'll get a buzz on your wrist. The watch will show you exactly what you need to take. You can tap Taken or Skipped right on the watch. It keeps a perfect log for you and your doctor. It's the simplest, most effective way to never forget a dose again. It's fantastic for pills, vitamins, even eye drops. So, let's review. Today, you learned how to activate your automatic fall detection, take your own ECG, use the SOS panic button, and set up foolproof medication reminders. Your watch is no longer just a watch. It's a guardian, it's a health partner, and it's an emergency lifeline. If this video helped you or just gave you one new idea, imagine how many lives it could change. Please share it with a friend or family member today. You never know when one of these tips might make all the difference. From all of us here at Senior Tech Guide, stay safe, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.